Today we're in Hellertown at my newest listing, 1544 Greystone Place. Let's go check it out. As you enter the first floor, you'll notice the gleaming hardwood floors, crown molding, and recessed lighting. And one of the main features of this first floor that not all these other units have is the fireplace down here. They currently have it set up as a workout area, but can be used as an extra family room, office, or whatever you might need. Completing this floor, we have the laundry room and a half bath. And now up on the second floor in your beautifully updated kitchen with granite countertops, tile floors, nice open space, huge kitchen island, a nice view into your sprawling living room with tons of natural light coming in on each side with these gorgeous tall windows. And completing the first floor is yet another half bath. Every single floor on this level has a bathroom. Can't beat that. And now up to the third floor with the same theme. These nice big windows letting in a ton of natural light. There's even one in the walk-in closet. Ceiling fans in every room, and each bedroom has its very own full bathroom. And sliding over to the second bedroom, once again, the natural light pouring in. Another walk-in closet, another full bathroom, each vanity with granite countertops, each shower all tiled. The theme continues on the fourth floor. Natural light pouring in these tall windows. Awesome space for a home office, hobby room, place to read. Full bathroom, tile shower, granite countertops, and nice big storage space.